Welcome back to Benny and Beyond. In this week's video, we are visiting the Pyrenees Mountains, Andorra and Marseille.
We did shoot a lot more footage for this video, but as we said in the last video, some of it was corrupted. So we've got what we managed to
Salvage.
save, yes, and make a bit of a shorter video.
This week's video is a shorter video, but we wanted to make sure that we highlighted some of the amazing places that you can visit around the southwest of France, the amazing drives that you can do. We just had a brilliant time, didn't we?
Oh yeah, incredible.
This is hands down one of the best park-ups we have ever stayed in. Waking up to this gorgeous pink sunrise in the Pyrenees was surreal. We started our day taking the insane drive down the mountains, passing through cute Spanish villages and enjoying the incredible views, making our way to our next destination, Andorra. It's incredible. The Pyrenees stretch for 270 miles along the Spanish and French border, forming a mountainous wall between the two.
Andorra lies nestled in the Pyrenees Mountains. The drive to get there was one of the best we've ever done, and if you get the chance, you should definitely do it.
We visited the highest capital city in Europe here, Andorra la Vella, which was very busy and difficult to park in, so we couldn't stay long. But we did find the cheapest diesel of the whole trip here. Finding spots. This morning we are ticking off a bucket list activity, going to Marseille to watch Wales play in the Rugby World Cup. We dressed B up with some Welsh flags, we got loads of beeps and waves on the way into the city. This was an incredible experience and we had an amazing time, even though we lost. Whoa! That looks banging! How excited are you?
Woo! Wales! We got Wales!
We got a programme.
I mean, it wasn't cheap, but I mean, you had to.
Right.
Sniff it.
Does it smell good?
All programmes smell amazing.
They do. I'm buzzing now.
I know, I can't wait. We're here now. There was a worry that our tickets weren't real because we got second hand.
And only
resale.
5 days ago we got the tickets.
Yeah, but I mean, we're in now. They can't kick us out.
No, exactly.
We can try.
I was even on national coverage of the game. I have to say Marseille is very pretty so far.
Yes.
As we spent the first day in Marseille at the rugby, this morning we visited the old town and found this amazing viewpoint. You can even see the stadium from up here. One spot in France that we both wanted to visit was Provence. We stopped off for lunch in a quaint cafe and visited the local shops and art galleries. We've arrived in Saint-Tropez. This was actually Phoebe's pick. She really wanted to come here. We probably wouldn't have done this if she hadn't said about it. But so far, I'm really enjoying it. Saw about 100 Porsches on the way down here. It was mad.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Again, apologies about the lack of footage because of the corruption. It really is frustrating, but it is what it is. Join us next week as we will be carrying on along the south coast of France, visiting Nice and Monaco.